The weather is warming up, and now is the time that we are beginning to think about our outdoor spaces. Come on back behind the fence with me. I want to show you guys what we have going on here. I am back today with more backyard shenanigans. My name is Felicia. Welcome to the channel. All right, so behind me you can see this massive pile of trees here. The thing with cutting down trees, the stumps, guys. What do we do with all these stumps? Well, if you have a tractor, you could try to pull it out yourself if it's small enough. The bigger stumps, you're not gonna get anywhere with those. Or you could try to burn them, I've heard. Some people will rent a grinder and grind them down themselves. We chose to hire that out. If you are planning on hiring out, during this video, just take notice of the equipment. This is some high dollar stuff. This is the livelihood for these guys. So we want to do our part as the customer to make sure that we've done everything we can to keep them safe, to keep their equipment safe. So make sure you're aware of any pipes or wiring or concrete or metal, anything that this grinder can run into other than the tree stump. We had a couple of awesome guys come over and handle every single stump. It took no time at all. In fact, I think they were here for about 2 hours, and we are left with a stump-free area. All right, so let's get into how this day went. These guys arrived promptly on time with all of their equipment. So keep in mind, guys, they are going to need access to the area freely with all of this heavy equipment. Upon arrival, or even before if possible, you want to go ahead and secure your animals. Make sure your children are out of the way. Anything that could possibly get in the way and get hurt. As you can see, that can happen quite easily if the operator is not careful. So we want to minimize distractions. Now, this company has 2 sizes of grinders. For our job, this bigger grinder was the one that the operator chose to stick with for this job. So let me get you guys into this video so you can see exactly how this process went. Now, one thing that really helps is when you are able to just get you a can of orange spray paint or just some way to clearly mark each stump so that they know when they are back there working that you actually want this taken out. There's no question. They don't have to bother you. And it makes the work go a lot faster for them when they can just get in there and just get at it.
Plenty of them on the other machine. You can only turn them one time, and you can only have them reshift one time. And if it's reshift, then nobody else can reshift. We buy them here. Yeah. That wheel right there, just the wheel, not anything attached to it, $2,000.
By itself.
By itself.
Damn.
That machine
The wheel
is
without the
$80,000.
It has like the cutters on it or whatever. No cutters on it?
That's the cutters. We got the yellow jacket for $12.50. And the 30 of them. And we can ruin them in 30 seconds to drop if we're not careful. Perfect. Perfect.
So if you are enjoying this content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, turn on those notifications. Here you can see one of the fellas here holding up a grapevine. So these grapevines we did not want destroyed. We are hoping that they will be productive for us. So they took extra care and went through great measures here, ensuring that these grapevines were not ruined. So fellas, we appreciate you. We appreciate your patience with this. Thank you so much. This also speaks to the expertise and the experience of the operator behind this machine. He really has to be able to guide this machine safely and effectively and proficiently in areas such as this in order to not cause damage. If you are considering hiring someone to come and remove or grind a stump for you guys, keep in mind it takes a lot to keep these machines running. It takes a lot of effort to move them around, a lot of gas. So when you consider all those things and factor in the distance traveled with these machines, many of these companies are not going to take a job that's under $100.
Perfect. Perfect.
our big old pile of trees that we are going to be burning over time. And here is the area where those trees were. And as you can see, it is nice and clear. They did a really good job. Every tree that was cut down, my husband just made sure to mark the stump that was in the ground so that they could see them very, very well. And they came in and did what they did and made it do what it do. Alright guys, that's it for me today. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope it puts you well on your way to deciding if this is a project you are going to undertake yourself or if you are going to hire out. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on those notifications. Thanks.